Hello everyone, this is Teacher Karen. So, nandito na naman tayo sa panibago nating lesson. So before that, I would like you to like, share, and comment to my video. Then, hit the bell for the notification. So ngayon, para sa mga estudyante ko at sa mga nanonood, ang lesson po natin ngayon is all about evaluating algebraic expression. Yung about naman sa algebraic expression, nandun po yan sa nauna kong video. So, paki-check na lang po. And then, we have evaluating algebraic expression with a variable. Ano nga ba yung variable? Na-explain ko rin yan doon sa mga previous kong video. Pero, ang variable po, yan po yung A to Z. Okay, to evaluate an expression with a variable, simply substitute the value of the variable into the expression and simplify. Example number 1. If x is equal to 4 and then the expression is 8x plus 5, yung x, substitute natin yung value ng x which is 4. So, yung x, papalitan natin, magiging 4. And then, we will multiply 8 and 4. The answer is 32 and then plus 5. So, 32 plus 5, the answer is 37. Siya na po yung, pinaka-sagot. Okay, example number 2. If y is equal to negative 3, then the expression is 10 plus y. So, yung y ay papalitan natin or isa-substitute natin yung value niya which is negative 3. So, ito na po yun. Then, kakopy nyo lang po yung 10, then yung plus, tapos ito i-multiply natin. Kung matatandaan nyo po yung multiplication of integers natin, since magkaiba sila ng sign, isang positive, isang negative, i-multiply po natin yung numbers or yung integers, and then yung sign po nila is negative. The product is negative if the integers or the two integers are having an unlike sign. So, 5 times negative 3, that is negative 15. So, ngayon, i-add naman natin sila. Sa addition of integers, kung matatandaan ninyo, pag magkaiba sila ng sign, we will subtract. So, 15 minus 10, that is 5. And then, get the sign of the highest absolute value, which is 15. Ang sign po niya is negative. So, the answer is negative 5. Next. We have evaluating algebraic expression with 2 or more variables. Kanina, nag-iisang variables lang siya. This time, 2 or more variables. To evaluate an expression with more than one variable, simply substitute the corresponding value of each variable into the expression and simplify. Example. If C is equal to 5 and S is equal to 10, the expression is 12C plus 3S. So, first is we will substitute the value of the variable. So, yung C, substitute natin yung 5. Tapos yung S, substitute natin yung 10. So, tandaan nyo, kapag magkadikit, that is multiplication. So, 12 times 5 plus 3 times 10. So, 12 times 5, that is 60. And then 3 times 10 is 30. So, 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. Next example. If x is equal to 7, and then y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 4, then the expression is 2x minus 3y plus z. So, we will substitute the value of x, the value of y, and the value of z. So, the value of x, 7, the value of y is 2, and the value of z is 4. So, we will multiply first before we add and subtract. So, 2 times 7, that is 14. 3 times 2, negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6. And then positive 4. Then we will subtract, then add. So, 14 minus 6, that is 8 plus 4. The answer is 12. Next example, evaluating algebraic expression with exponent. Kung matatandaan nyo, yung mga nauna ko ring lesson, na-discuss ko na rin po yung exponential notation. So, na-discuss ko kung ano po yung exponent doon. So, if we will evaluate algebraic expression with exponent, evaluate an expression with exponent, simply follow PEMDAS and simplify. So, example number 1. If x equal to 5 and y is equal to 2, the expression x squared minus 4y cubed. So, we will substitute the value of x and y. And then yung x natin, x squared po yan, magiging 5 yung x. And then yung y ay magiging 2. So, susundin po natin yung PEMDAS. P is parenthesis, E is exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and then S is subtraction. So, mauna po yung exponent natin. So, meaning ng exponent ay kung ilang beses i-multiply yung base. So, dito, dalawang beses i-multiply yung 5 minus 4, and then dito, tatlong beses i-multiply yung 3. So, 5 times 5 is 25 minus 2 times 2 is 4 times 2. 8 times 4 is 32. So, 25 minus 32 is equal to negative 7. Kasi kung lalagyan natin ito ng plus at ito gagawin natin plus, ito gagawin natin negative. So, mas marami yung negative kaysa sa positive. Then, pagkaiba sila ng sign, we will subtract 32 minus 25 is 7. Then, mas marami yung negative, kaya negative 7. Next po, that is, if A is equal to negative 3 and B is equal to 7. The expression is 4A squared plus B. So, yung A, we will substitute the negative 3, and then yung B, we will substitute the 7. And then, since PEMDAS, uunahin natin to. So, ang mangyayari po dyan ay dalawang beses i-multiply yung negative 3, and then, copy lang yung 7. So, 4 times negative 3 times negative 3, that is 36. Plus 7, the answer is 42. Next po, evaluating algebraic expression with fraction. So, if evaluate an expression with fractions, simply perform the operations in the numerator and the denominator following PEMDAS and simplify it into a lowest term. Okay, example, if x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2, the expression is 2x plus 5 over 10 plus 4y. So, first is we will substitute the value of x and the value of y. So, this is 5, yung x, and then yung y change into 2. And then, we will multiply first before we add. So, 10, 2 times 5 is 10 plus 5. And then, yung copy mo yung 10, then yung plus 4 times 2 is 8. And then, 10 plus 5 is 15, then 10 plus 8 is 18. And then get the lowest term. If hindi sila pwedeng i-divide, so we will find the lowest term. So, ang common multiple nila is 3. So, 15 divided by 3 is 5, and then 18 divided by 3. Ang LCD po nila is 3. Yung pwede silang i-divide parehas na number. So, yung 15 pwedeng i-divide sa 3, yung 18 pwedeng i-divide sa 3, na eksakto yung sagot. So, 15 divided by 3 is 5, and then 18 divided by 3 is 6. Wala na pong ilo-lowest term, kaya ito na po yung pinakasagot. 5/6 or 5 over 6. Next one, if A is equal to negative 7, and then B is equal to 3, the expression is A squared plus 1 over 4B. So, yung A, we will substitute the negative 7. And then yung B, we will substitute the positive 3. Ngayon, since may exponent siya, 2 yung exponent niya, kaya dalawang beses din i-multiply negative 7. And then 4 times 3 is 12. Then negative 7 times negative 7, that is 49 plus 1 over 12. That is 49 plus 1 is 50 over 12. And then get the lowest term. Ang common denominator nila, LCD nila is 2. 50 divided by 2 is 25. And then 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, let us practice. True or false? If A is equal to 7, then B is equal to 3, and C is equal to negative 5, then the value of 3A plus 4B plus 2C is equal to 23. Is it true or false? So we will see. This is the solution. So we will substitute the value of A, B, and C. 7, 3, and negative 5. 3 times 7, 4 times 3, plus 2 times negative 5. So 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 3 is 12. 2 times negative 5 is 10. And then we will add 21 plus 12, that is 33. Plus negative 10, magkaiba ng sign, we will subtract 33 plus negative 10, that is 23. So kung pareha sila ng sagot, that is true. Next, if x is equal to negative 2, then the value of 3x plus 1 is equal to negative 1. So check natin kung magiging true or false. So we will substitute the value of negative 2. X is equal to negative 2. 3 times negative 2, that is negative 6 plus 5. Negative 6 plus 5 is equal to negative 1. So since pareha sila ng sagot, that is true. Next po, number 3. If r is equal to negative 5, then the value of r cubed minus 10 is equal to negative 5. So we will check. So r is equal to negative 5. So we will substitute yung r magiging negative 5. Cube minus 10. So tatlong beses multiply yung negative 5, then minus 10. Then negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5, that is the negative 125. Tapos copy lang yung negative 10. Since pareha sila ng sign, parehas negative, we will add 125 plus 10, that is 135. Then copy their signs, negative 100. Since magkaiba sila ng sagot, that is false. Number 4. If P is equal to 4 and B is equal to negative 3, then the value of 3P plus 5 over 2V plus 10 is equal to 17 over 4. Check natin. So we will substitute the value of P and B. So 4 and negative 3. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus 5. Then 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 plus 10. 12 plus 5 is 17. And then negative 6 plus 10 is equal to 4. So since pareha sila, is true. Okay, number 5. If m is equal to negative 3 and n is equal to 4, then the value of m squared minus 5 over n cubed is equal to 4 over 12 or 1/3. So we will check. So we will substitute the value of m and the value of n. So negative 3 squared minus 5 over 4 cubed. So negative 3 times negative 3, dalawang beses kasi squared po yan. Then sa baba, 4 cubed, 4 times. Yung 4, 3 times natin siya. So negative 3 times negative 3, that is 9. Then plus 5. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. Then 9 plus 5 is 14 over 64. Then get the lowest term. Ang LCD po nila is 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Then 64 divided by 2 is 32. So, magkaiba sila ng sagot, kaya false. Okay, next. That will be the last. Okay, thank you and God bless. See you again next time. Bye-bye.